This guy literally made somewhere between $1,000 to $16,000 from one reaction video. Reaction video, Mosh? I don't want to show my face on the camera. I don't know how to do those funny reactions. Don't worry, life is easier than you think. Look at what this guy has done in the name of reaction.
The 5 most hysterical roasts of Katy Perry's fake trip to space. Go.
That was the only time he was visible in the video, and literally you do not need to be in his place. Anyone can be, because look at this.
Guys, I just made history with Katy Perry. We just went to space for 11 minutes in total, and I'm just so proud of myself and just thankful for my dad, Ryan, for making this possible. And guys, I was one of the first females in space, so thank you, God. God is great.
I'm going to tell you something right now. You are officially an astronaut. Thank you so much.
Literally.
I'm officially a firefighter.
I'm officially
I'm an electrician.
Hey, excuse me, sir?
Yeah.
Could you tell me what the weather's like today?
Oh, sure.
Cool.
Looks like it's sunny.
Cool, thanks.
I'm a meteorologist.
Oh my god, babe, that was so amazing.
I'm a gynecologist.
Alrighty, sir, your bank account is all set up.
Great. I'm officially an accountant.
Hey man, real quick.
Yeah.
Would you like to donate to our cause?
Oh, sure thing.
Really?
Here's $1.
Thanks.
I'm officially a philanthropist.
That's it. You can go and watch if you want. There are like literally hundreds of Katy Perry roast videos. But we are here to make money, my friend. So I went to Perplexity, my favorite AI platform for research. I asked how much do platforms pay for video views? And look at the fun, so much fun. These days you do not need to pay for information. Just ask. You get all the information. For every 1,000 views, YouTube pays $3 to $18 for long form videos. For short form, 3 cents to 7 cents. TikTok pays you 2 cents to 4 cents per 1,000 views. Not a lot of money, but it only takes 5 steps. So I asked AI again, give me the steps in a table so I can follow and start making money. It gave me 5 steps. Step number 1, create account. Step 2, meet monetization requirements. Step 3, apply or enable monetization. Step 4, set up your payout. Step 5, earn from views. Boom! But is it really that easy? Have you ever looked at the requirements? So I asked for the requirements and I got it all in one place, in just one table. Look at this. YouTube wants 1,000 subscribers minimum, and it's not easy, trust me. You must get 4,000 valid public watch hours, not views, 4,000 watch hours in the 12 months or 10 million valid short views in the past 90 days. Facebook wants 5,000 followers or 10,000 followers on the page, 60,000 watch minutes in last 60 days. TikTok wants 18 years or later, at least 10,000 followers, at least 100,000 video views in the 30 days, and you must be in eligible countries: US, UK, Germany, France, Japan, South Korea, Brazil. Unfortunately, making money from views are not as easy as it seems to be. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content, and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days, and we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. I asked AI, what are the limitations, problems, or cons of getting paid from views as side hustle? High monetization thresholds, already covered. Low earning per view. You get only like 3 cents to 5 cents per 1,000 views? Come on. High competition. A lot of people are doing it because it seems easy. Unpredictable and declining pay rates. It's a common habit for the platform to reduce the pay rate. Platform policy risks monetization, lack of audience or ownership. you do not own your videos. They own your videos. So the dream looks like this. You're gonna push a couple of buttons and so-called YouTube automation and blah, blah, blah. You'll become a millionaire overnight. But the reality, not so good. However, above everything else, this money is real. People are actually making money, but we need to start making money faster, right? I'm here to solve this problem. Listen, before I started this video, I actually asked AI to give me a comprehensive list of how many ways reaction videos can earn money. And I got 20 ways. They boil down to 3 categories. Category number 1, you make money from views, video views. Category number 2, you make money from freelancing. And category number 3, you acquire customers, paying customers through your reaction videos. Okay, Mosh, why are you only talking about reaction videos? Because we have been getting high paying customers through reaction videos. I have showed you many times over in different videos that we have got over 500,000 followers by mainly using reaction videos. This is an example of just one video. This video on Instagram got 1.5 million views when we first uploaded it. And over time, we got 25,000 followers from this one upload. And we uploaded this same video many times over. And every time the same video brought us hundreds, if not thousands of new followers. Not only us, this is a jet seller. I mean, private jet seller. He sells $50 million jets. He has a TikTok page, Instagram page, and YouTube page. Most of his highest viewed videos are reaction videos. Of course, jet buyers don't buy from TikTok videos, but he claims in a video that a client contacted him from his TikTok videos. Now, this guy is a business coach. He sells business and finance consultancy services. He has 1.1 million followers on Instagram and 500,000 followers on TikTok and 100,000 plus subscribers on YouTube. 100% of his videos are reaction videos. So why do reaction videos work? And how do reaction videos help you get buyers? Again, I asked ChatGPT because information and education is free these days. High audience engagement. It's easy to build trust and authenticity. Subhanallah, that is what our RAND framework is all about. In case you don't know, we have a 99% done for you program for busy folks just like yourself. In this program, we help people earn $500 high ticket affiliate commissions while we do 99% of the work. And in this program, one of the methods that we teach our beginner members to get high paying customers from social media is called RAND. R stands for React on Relatable Videos. Once you do that, you don't need your own authority. You basically borrow the authority of the original video creator. But that is not enough. Because most people on the internet do funny reaction videos. Funny reaction videos don't build authority. If you are funny or you're a comedian, people will not buy from you. You can have fun about someone's work. You can get angry or pissed off someone's work, but that won't build your authority until you add value. And that is a problem. Because if you're a beginner, you don't know about a lot of things. You may started making videos on a certain topic or a niche that you have no idea of. So you need to learn. And AI can help you learn. AI can help you plan. AI can help you make authoritative reaction videos. So for that, we use AI and our proprietary AI prompt. All these are A's. You see that? I just covered A. So first I put my AI prompt. Then AI asks me for more details about the video that I'm going to react on. I usually give them the transcript of the video. And in a matter of seconds, I get a complete plan on what kind of reaction video I can make. What kind of reaction, what kind of emotion, how much it matches with my goal, and why it works. Then I choose which one I want to make. In this case, I chose the second one, which is a disbelief and value lesson. Now ChatGPT or any AI platform gave me a complete plan. Which second I should react how. I just quickly go through and based on that, I make my reaction videos. Now the information is free, nothing held back because AI is here. So more you learn and more you practice, you will become a full authority. But you must add authority in your videos if you want to make money from them. The next step is new reaction videos daily. Consistency. And consistency builds trust. And people are ready to buy from you high price offers if they trust you. One of the signs that people start trusting you is they will reach out to you in your DMs, ask you questions, they will ask for your help, they will want your advice, your suggestions. All these are signs that people started trusting you. Now, if you follow the rant method right, you make reaction or relatable videos, you build authority. If needed, you borrow authority, you add value, you use AI if needed, and then you show up daily, consistently, and build trust. Then you make money like Nathan. Look at Nathan. Nathan made a lot of money. My record says he made $1,248 in passive affiliate commissions. The reason I'm saying passive affiliate commissions is that his videos generated only 486 hops. Means only 486 visitors came through your videos. That's not a lot. This is really, really low. But on the average, from each visitor, he made $5.34. If you compare this with these thresholds, like 3 cents to 7 cents for 1,000 views, that's crazy. This is unbelievable. You need a lot more views in order to make some decent amount of money from views. But when you use our system to get customers for digital products, then tiny little views can make you tons of money. Why does it work? Because we build trust along the way. That's the value and that's the power of the RANT framework. Now I'm going to show you the automated system of making high ticket commissions like this. But before that, let me show you how you can make money as a freelancer using reaction videos. This Fiverr freelancer charges $50 to create a music reaction video where he listens and give feedback and upload to YouTube. And so far, he has got 1,300 5-star rating. His number of sales and a number of orders, and from these stats we can see 1,700 orders completed. Does he mean he made $85,000 from this gig? Probably not that much, because here is how it works. 3 steps to make $500 as a freelancer. Step 1, your customers or clients find your product or service in freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, guru.com. Then the customer contacts you, speaks to you, and negotiate. And sometimes they do not agree with your price. You have to lower your price. So you don't always earn what you ask for. Finally, you do the work, you deliver, and you get paid. Now for reaction videos, you don't really need to make reaction videos all by yourself. You can use a software like Valet. It's a great software. It allows you to make videos without being present on the camera. If you go to my YouTube channel and you search with Valet, you'll find this video where I reviewed the software. It works great. Link is in the description. You can get it from there. But if you choose to get it from my link, then as a bonus, I will give you my prompt. And this prompt will help you make authoritative videos, not funny or comedy videos that makes no sense. With this prompt, you will make videos that will get you customers, high-paying customers, and you make money. Make sure when you click any of these buttons and decide to buy, let's say you decide to buy this one, which is highly recommended. It gives you 25 videos. The other one gives you only 10 videos. You go to this page, and if you want unlimited video package, then choose this one. This option will cost you $47 a month. But hey, if you make $470 per month from reaction videos, then this one tiny investment is paying you 10 times more. Remember, if you want my bonus prompt, then make sure right here you see Mosh Bari and this number 2183. If yes, this will be my affiliate link, and other bonuses will be delivered automatically in your purchase receipt. If you don't see it, then contact me on Instagram. I will share my link with you. Now here is how the automated money machine works. In real life, when you go to a cafe, you see this: sugar, coffee beans, water, milk, coffee pouring system, power to run the coffee machine itself, and the customers. But in automated AI-powered digital or online business looks like this. Same as coffee machine, you will have multiple product options. The graphic design works like milk. Websites work like coffee beans. Emails work like brown sugar. Sales copy works like water. And product delivery system works like the coffee pouring system. Power is AI. And the coffee machine is called funnel or marketing funnel. And like the cafe visitors in online world, we call traffic and customers. So let me ask you this. If you want to launch your own coffee shop, what would you do? Option A, would you get every piece and put them together and install them all by yourself? Or simply hire experts to install for you so you can get customers and sales as fast as possible? Of course, option B. You hire the experts or professionals and you start getting sales and make money as fast as possible. These are the requirements of AI-powered automated digital business. Step number 1, you get an email from an affiliate or a promoter. There is a link in the email. You click that link. You will be taken to a landing page or a website or a sales page. When you decide to buy from there, instead of getting your purchase delivered, you will see more upsells to buy more. Whatever you buy, the product owner will earn 50% and the affiliate earns 50%. Now, if you want to do it all by yourself, then you need to do all these by yourself. But in our 99% done for you program, all this work are already done for you. That's why making money is super easy for people like Petra. Petra is from South Africa. She's a retired professor of molecular biology. Petra made $2,038 in affiliate commission from only 684 visitors. So she didn't need millions of views to get approval to make money from views. Just a few hundred tiny little views turned into website visitors and they purchased from her and she earned commissions. Let me quickly show you the results of my affiliates from 4 of my Warrior Plus accounts. The Warrior Plus account number 1. On the left hand side, I blurred out the names of the affiliates for privacy. The red column are the number of traffic and the purple column are the commissions they earn. And the green column is the value of each visitor. That's an average. So if you look at the first affiliate, he sent 784 visitors to the automated system we built for him and made $2,000 commission. The second affiliate sent only 154 visitors and made $355 commission. Same happened on the second account. Affiliates are sending traffic, they're making commissions, and they're getting this kind of average value per visitor. Third account, and this is the fourth account. And this is the summary of 4 accounts. Look at this. This is interesting. The red column are the commissions made, and these are the visitor values. So every visitor on the average is 55 cents to 88 cents for us. Every single visitor. That's why every single view counts. We do not need millions of views to make a couple of bucks. Can you see the comparison? Which one do you prefer? Making money from digital product sales through automated AI system or making money from views? Some of you may ask, can we use paid advertisement? Yes, you can. But look at this Facebook ad cost. 89 cents per click. And on solo ads, we spend from 54 cents to 69 cents. So with paid advertisement, you pay starting from 54 cents to 89 cents per visitor. And after sales, when you're making commissions, you earn only 55 cents to 88 cents. There is literally no profit left. So when you spend more than you make, you lose money. So clearly, we needed a solution for free traffic. And alhamdulillah, it is working for people. Regular people like Nathan are making good money. Guys, I can tell you tons and tons of stories. But these stories will not make you money. The only thing that makes you money is your action. So if you want us to set up your money machine for you, 99% done for you, then there is a link in the description. It will take you to a training that looks like this. Watch this training. If you have questions, ask our AI chat assistant. It will answer all your questions. If you want to speak to me one-on-one, DM me on Instagram or send me an inbox message on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. But don't just keep thinking. Because if you keep thinking, you won't get any result. You will start seeing result when you start taking action. And your action is right here. If you just want to do reaction videos all by yourself, go ahead, do it. And if you think you need my AI prompts to plan your reaction videos without thinking and follow the RAND framework to build authority and trust and get paying customers and make money like super affiliates, then use my link below this video and get this software. But above everything, you need to start taking action right now. The choice is yours. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.